Hello everyone, this is my 61 video in React series. In our previous video we have seen about use param hook. Now in this tutorial we are going to learn about use location hook. Use location hook is nothing but it is going to return the location object that represents the current URL. Whatever URL I will be having, that current path it is going to return. Okay, now we are going to see that example, and also we are going to see how to import use location hook. Use location hook also comes under React Router DOM. So we have already seen about use param hook. Use param hook is nothing but it is going to return object in key value pairs. Whatever data is present inside the URL, that data we are just going to display. Now we are just going to see about use location. I'll just come to sign in, and here if I just write here, I'll write here Khanam, and here I'll write K. Now you can see I'll be getting hello Khanam and your first name is K. This was the example we saw in our previous tutorial. Now in this we are just going to use location hook. I'll just import that one. You just have to write here use location, and this use location is also belong to React Router DOM. Now here I am having this one. Now below this I am just going to create one variable. I'll just give my variable name as location, and inside this I am just going to write this one, use location. I am just going to pass this hook. Now if I just do console.log, and inside this I am just going to pass this location. I'll save this. I'll come here. I'll just refresh this one. I'll just come to sign in page. I'll just refresh this one. Now inside this URL I'll be passing some name. Here I'm just going to write Riya Mehta, and here I'll just write here Riya. Okay, now here I'll be getting this output. Hello Riya Mehta and your first name is Riya. Now inside console, if I just show you the output, I'll just come here. You can see I'm getting this path name. Okay, this entire thing, and the path name is nothing but sign in Riya Mehta Riya. Okay, you can see here I'm getting this output. Okay, inside this path name I'm having this, whatever I'm having inside URL, that is been printed. If I just give here Seema, enter. Now you can see inside path name I'll be getting whatever path name I'm having, Riya Mehta / Seema. Okay, inside this we are going to get this hash, path name, state. Okay, everything we are going to get, but path name we are just going to see how to access this one, and it is nothing but it is going to return object. So object will be having key value pairs. To access object we just have to write this dollar symbol and property name. So whatever object name we are having, object name dot this property is name. Below this h1 I'm just going to create one h1. Inside this I'll just open this curly braces, and here I'll just copy this location. Okay, this is nothing but it is going to return object. So this location is object dot whatever property I want. I want path name, so I'm just going to write here path name. I'll save this, and now if I just refresh this one, now you can see that particular path name is displayed in my browser. Okay, you can see that path name whatever I am having here, that is being displayed in my browser. Now instead of this I'll just change the name. Let me just write here Sia Sharma / I'll just write here Sia. I'll enter. Now you can see the path name is also updated, and also here I am getting this output. Okay, this is how use location is useful. We are just going to get the path of the URL, and that URL we can display. Now we are just going to create some buttons for this. I'll just come to sign in page. Now from here I have just removed fname, and inside app.js I'm having this content only username. Okay, now here suppose whatever path name I am having, if I just give one condition, suppose if you want to see some premium videos inside Hotstar, you should get membership to watch that video, and you have to pay certain amount of money to get membership of Hotstar, and then you can view the premium videos. Okay, now suppose we are just going to create one button. If the user is login, if the user is already a membership of that, they should not be getting that button. If the user is not membership of Hotstar, they should be getting one button, that is get membership. Okay, using this use location we are just going to write that one. Now inside this curly braces I'm just writing this use location. I'm just accessing the path name. Now here I'll just check the condition. If I'll just come here, I'll come to sign in page, and here I'll just write here Khanam. I'll enter. Now here I'm having this hello Khanam, and this is my sign in. I'll just copy this entire path, and here I'm just going to write here. I'll just write here if my user is not equal to this particular name. Okay, then here I'm just going to check the condition. I'll just use ternary operator. Ternary operator we have already seen in this tutorial. I'll just write here button, and for this button I'm just going to write here, I'll just write here get membership. Else I'll just close inside parenthesis this entire thing, and here inside this colon I'll just write here null or empty something. I'll save this, and now for this button I'm just going to give one class. I'll just give here btn. I'll give here btn warning and also margin 4. I'll save this. I'll come here, I'll refresh this one. Now here I am having hello Khanam, okay, because here inside URL I am having Khanam. Here I am just giving the condition, if my path name, if it is not equal to this one, only then I should be getting get membership. Khanam is already member of Hotstar, so she don't need this button. Only those who are not a member of Hotstar, they should be getting this button. Now Khanam is already there, so for her this button is not available. Now suppose if I just give here Riya, I'll enter. Now Riya is not a member, so you can see, okay, for Riya this button is getting displayed. Now for this I'm just going to give margin on all the 4 sides. I'll save this. As of now I'll just comment this path. I'll refresh this one. Now you can see for Riya I'm getting this button get membership. Again if I just write here Khanam, I'll enter. Now for Khanam this button will not be visible, okay, because Khanam is already a member. Okay, this is how we are going to perform operations using use location. Okay, you can just explore more. You can create your own projects using all these concepts, and also I am going to upload more videos, more projects using all these hooks. Okay, that's all about use location. Next we are going to see about use history hook. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.